Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to renew your Michigan driver's license online. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, open the website michigan.gov/SOS. Once you're on the website, you will see a section for popular services. Under popular services is license and ID. Below it is an option for renew. Click on renew. Here you'll see several options on how to renew your license. To proceed, click on Go to Online Services. Now, log into your MeLogin account. But if you don't have an account yet, click on Create an account. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, read the terms and conditions. After reading, click on the tick box to agree. Then click on Launch Service. For identity verification, enter your first name, last 4 digits of your SSN, license ID number, and date of birth. It will also ask if you have the issuance date of your ID. If you have it, click on Yes. Otherwise, click on No. After that, click on the tick box beside I agree to the access terms and conditions. Then click on Confirm. A pop-up window will then appear confirming your information. To proceed, click on OK. On this page, you can update your information. If everything's good, click on the tick box to verify that the above information is correct. Then click on Next. It will also ask if you'd like your name added to the Michigan Organ Donor Registry. Click on the option you wish to select. Then click on Next. For communication purposes, enter your email and phone number. Also, select the phone type. Then click on Next. If you wish to receive updates and offers from Michigan Department of State, check the tick box. Then click on Next. Now here, confirm your address. You could also make changes regarding your address and mailing address. If everything's good, click on Next. If you haven't added an emergency contact and you'd like to add one, click on Yes. Otherwise, click on No. If you chose to add an emergency contact, enter the full name of the contact person and select your relationship with him or her. Then if you know the address of the emergency contact, click on Yes. And then enter the complete address. After entering, click on the button that says Verify Address. Once verified, click on Next. Here, you'll just see the amount of renewal fee. To proceed, click on Next. Now, read the statement. Then click on the tick box to certify that the above statement is true and accurate. And then click on Next. Review the summary of information. If everything's correct, click on Submit. For payment, click on Checkout. Select a payment method. You could pay using either a credit card or checking account. In this case, we'll be paying using a debit card, so we also click on Pay using credit card. This will work as well. Then click on OK. To begin the payment process, click on Next. First, enter the billing address. Next, enter your card details or checking account details. And once entered, click on I'm not a robot. Then click on Next. Lastly, review the payment details. If everything's good, click on the Pay Now button. And now the payment has been processed. That's how you renew your Michigan driver's license online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.